Maximus Max Muscle, a retired wrestling champion, was reminiscing about his glory days, flexing a bicep that still held impressive definition, when Leo, a young esports prodigy with lightning-fast reflexes and an even faster tongue, burst through the door. "I found it, the map to the golden dish," Leo exclaimed, brandishing a crumpled parchment. Bella, a quirky chef with a talent for culinary chaos and an even bigger appetite for adventure, overheard. "Count me in," she declared, grabbing her whisk like a weapon. And so, the most unlikely team was formed. Their adventure began in a bustling market, a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and eccentric vendors. The map led them to a stall overflowing with exotic spices and peculiar ingredients. The puzzle, a culinary riddle, required them to combine ingredients in a specific order to reveal the next clue. Max, using his brute strength, cracked open a stubborn spice canister. Leo, with his sharp mind, deciphered the cryptic clues hidden within the vendors' riddles. Bella, with her innate culinary understanding, orchestrated the harmonious blend of flavors, resulting in a fragrant cloud that unlocked a hidden compartment containing the next piece of the map. Their journey then took an unexpected turn onto a football field. A team of rival treasure hunters, clad in black and sporting menacing grins, challenged them to a match. The stakes? The next clue to the golden dish. Max, surprisingly agile for his age, used his wrestling skills to tackle opponents, creating openings for Leo's strategic plays. Bella, armed with a frying pan and a surprisingly accurate throw, even managed to intercept a pass. Their unconventional teamwork, a blend of wrestling takedowns, gaming tactics, and kitchen utensil acrobatics, led them to victory, securing the next part of the map. The final clue led them to the grandest cooking competition in the land. Their opponent, Chef Von Grumbles, a culinary villain with a reputation for sabotage and an unhealthy obsession with winning. Bella, the heart of their team, took charge of the cooking, her hands a blur of motion as she whipped up a symphony of flavors. Max and Leo, meanwhile, formed an unlikely defense squad, thwarting Chef Grumble's attempts to tamper with the ingredients. They dodged flying spatulas, deflected rogue pots, and even managed to disable a suspicious kitchen appliance with a well-timed wrestling move. As the final dish was presented, a revelation dawned on them. The golden dish wasn't just about the perfect blend of ingredients. It was about the passion, teamwork, and laughter shared during the journey. The judges, moved by their story and the delicious aroma, declared them the winners. The golden dish, a simple yet exquisite meal, brought joy not just to those who tasted it, but to the entire community, who celebrated their victory with a feast of epic proportions.